In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the Steam stats and most played games in just 5 minutes. If you're a gamer interested in discovering what's trending or keeping up to date with the most popular games, this guide is just for you. First, you'll need to open your Steam app. Once it's up and running, look to the right hand corner of your screen for the login option. Now, if you haven't already logged in, you'll need to do so using your account name and password. It's always a good idea to keep your login details secure and avoid sharing them with others. After entering your information, click sign in to access your account. Now that you're logged into Steam, you should find yourself on your Steam homepage. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout if you're not already. From here, look towards the top of the page where you will find a tab labelled Store. Clicking on this will transition you to the main shopping area of Steam. In this section, you'll find a lot of exciting content, but for now, our focus is on stats. Navigate your cursor to the stats option within this menu. Clicking on stats will take you to an area filled with interesting data and charts. Here is where you get to see a list of the top selling games, providing insights into which games are currently popular among the gaming community. Continuing your journey, another intriguing section here is the most played games list. This list gives you an idea of what games have captured the community's attention and where the majority of players are spending their gaming hours. It's constantly updated, so you'll always have the latest information on gaming trends. For an even deeper dive, you can click on See All 100 Most Played. This will open up a new view that provides extensive details on the most popular games, giving you a comprehensive look at what's capturing the gaming world's fascination at this moment. Finally, while browsing the stats, you'll also encounter information on the player's online stats. This valuable data gives you real-time insights into how many people are actively engaged in gaming activities on Steam at any given moment, helping you gauge the ebb and flow of player engagement across the platform. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you can access loads of information about what's hot in the gaming world right now. Whether you're an avid gamer or just curious, Steam's stats offer a fascinating snapshot of the current gaming landscape. Thanks for joining me today, and happy gaming on Steam.